Hi guys, mfpmatias from YouTube. Welcome to another video with my Yamaha MT-07, the bike that I use for stunt. This time we're gonna have a lot of upgrades on my stunt build with PROBOLT products. PROBOLT, it's a company that sells all kind of bolts, nuts, washers and others. They are on the market over 20 years and they sell options like titanium, stainless steel, aluminium, and they have a lot of color choices. Well, let's see the products that I ordered. All those products are in titanium. The color is purple Haze, they call it like that. It's a color that changes between purple and blue. It's so nice color, I love it. I already have a couple of PROBOLT titanium products. As you can see on my sprocket nuts, the rear brake caliper bolts and some sub-cage bolts that I have. For this service, don't forget to use Loctite and a torque wrench using the torque specs in your motorcycle service manual. In this video I will weight all the titanium screws together and the original ones so you can see really the difference. So why to switch to titanium? In my case, on my Yamaha MT-07 that I use for stunt, the main reason is the durability of the bolts. Because being a stunt bike, I often need to loose and tighten the bolts all the time and they start to wear. The titanium one, this does not happen because the material is much harder than steel. In addition, there is a great weight reduction and of course the beauty is so nice. As you can see, the difference in weight is big and the final look is so beautiful. This color is awesome. I will leave the PROBOLT links in the description. In their website you can search by the brand, model, year of your motorcycle. They have a lot of kit bolts, nuts, washers and also custom bolts and everything like that. If you want the right size, the right measurement, they have all of that. It's very friendly, use their website. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.